Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lerny. How you doing? How you doing? It's another slay day. Today we are going to be doing brows. It's been a while since I did a brow tutorial. My steps got shorter and then the products got fewer, but the brows got poppier. Yeah. Yeah, so we are going to be doing that today. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and again subscribe. So now that the intro is out of the way, let's play. To do my brows, I'm going to use this pencil from BROWS Beauty. Focus. From BROWS Beauty. It is a Ghanaian brand, and then I'm going to use their brow mascara as well. As you can see, I have used this thing. I have really used it, so I'm going to go with this one. And then of course we are going to use a concealer for the bottom and foundation for the top. Okay, are you ready? Let's slay. First, make sure that you comb through your brows. It's a necessary step. Just comb through and then over and down. They said your brows are not twins, they are sisters. So please don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself trying to get your brows to be the same. That thing takes too much time, I beg. After outlining the brows, I'm going to fill it in, but I'm filling in only the tail end. So I'm just going to gently fill it in this way. And then we go in with the brow mascara. So what the brow mascara does is to help your brow hair stay in place, to lighten your brows if they are too dark. So I'm concealing the bottom using, like the bottom of my brows, using this Juvia's Place concealer, and then I'll conceal the top using the Juvia's Place foundation. This is because, you know, usually when you use, you can use concealer for the top as well, but you should be able to blend and blend well. If you're not able to do that, then it becomes like, after you do your foundation, in fact after you finish the whole makeup, you see your concealer sticking out, and we don't want that. So if you can't properly blend your concealer at the top, just stay safe, use a foundation for the top and blend, so that when you do your whole face, the top blends into the rest of your forehead. Okay, so that's what we are going to do right about now. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm using the CVL Beauty Pro brushes This is also a Ghanaian brand. So are the brows the same? Are they not? Yeah, okay. We'll take it like that. What I usually do is I blend the top first before I blend the bottom, because the bottom is lighter and we don't want to transfer the lightness into the darkness, but it's okay to transfer the dark into the light. So we'll blend the top first and then we will blend the bottom. And I like to blend it upwards, so that, because if you blend it this way, you're spoiling the brow. If you blend it this way, you may spoil the brow. This is the not so finished look. Of course, I have to finish the rest of my face before the whole look is finished. But yeah, this is what you have. Are they the same? Are they not the same? You judge. But are they popping? You judge. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. This is the finished look, guys. Don't lose look on my teeth. This is the finished look, guys. Brows did, full face did. If you do try this brow routine, let me know. Comment below, send me a DM on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.